once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Kamusta mga Juan? It's summertime na here in New Zealand. Pero dahil late tayo mag-upload, let's turn our summer into winter with our first snow experience in New Zealand. We didn't get to experience the snow activities this trip, kaya we will save that for next time. For sure, babalik-balikan natin ang Mt Ruapehu. Kaya without much further ado, I am bringing you our episode 19 in Bae'yahe with me in New Zealand. I am your Nomadic Juan, and this is our first episode for Mt Ruapehu.
Nomadic.
Kamusta mga Juan? I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog. This is episode 19 of our Bae'yahe with me in New Zealand, and for today's vlog, pupunta tayo ng Whakapapa, Mt Ruapehu. Remember last time, I think last year, nung nagpunta tayo ng Rotorua, isa sana sa itinerary natin yung pupunta ng Ruapehu, pero hindi na kinaya ng ating time. So ngayon, babalikan natin bago pa matapos yung winter season dito sa New Zealand. So ayun, ayon sa weather report, medyo rainy doon banda ngayon, pero ipos natin para sa vlog. So mga 41 minutes away tayo mula doon sa Whakapapa. Mag-shuttle bus tayo paakyat, and then tingnan natin kung anong meron doon. So ayun, yun ang ating first snow experience in here in New Zealand. Keep on watching. At andito na tayo sa may Park and Ride National Park. So dito natin antayin yung ating shuttle bus paakyat ng Whakapapa.
Oh, we're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We're trying to understand how it all started to go wrong.
Right here, 4:15.
Okay.
May not be me, it might be another driver or another vehicle. Just telling you with National Park shuttles.
Park, okay,
Yeah,
National
yeah.
Park shuttle. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Come up there.
Yeah. Welcome to Whakapapa everyone. So located to sa may northern slope ng Mt Ruapehu. Isa siyang ski and boarding resort. So try nating mag-sled later and see how sakay tayo ng Gondola, and then akyat ng cafe. So tingnan natin kung anong meron. Explore natin tong Whakapapa. Keep on watching. Welcome to Whakapapa, a world-class adventure playground located on the northern slopes of Mt Ruapehu in the heart of New Zealand's North Island. Maraming activities ang pwede mong gawin dito. Sightseeing, skiing, snowboarding, sled riding, sumakay ng gondola, or magkape while you enjoy the majestic view of the White Mountain. In summer, with the mountain laid bare of its winter coat,
They offer sightseeing on the 1.8-kilometer Skywalk Gondola, with views across the Central Plateau down to the unique volcanic terrain, dining at 2,020-meter high and merc walks. In winter, they operate a world-class ski area spanning 550 hectares. Terrain is formed by solidified lava, making for some of the most exhilarating skiing and snowboarding New Zealand has to offer.
Suwaka Gondola, everyone!
But the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather.
Hey! So, andito tayo sa may Pataka Cafe ngayon. Ito yung cafe sa may taas ng Whakapapa village. So, ma-access siya to gondola. Kailangan nyo sumakay ng gondola. And then, around 59 per head yung gondola. So, maganda yung view dito. Sobrang ganda. So, relaxing chill muna tayo dito.
As life unfolds this year, we just have to accept that not every dream or goal remains possible. People grow. Our situation changes. We sometimes have to release the visions and aspirations we had for ourselves to make peace with the reality we live in, which is often totally far different from what we once imagined. And you know what? That is okay. Just keep going and let life surprise you what it has to offer. And I am excited for what 2025 has in store for me. Maikling lang buhay, piliin mong maging masaya, and let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness.
Yun! Gusto na. So, first time natin na-experience yung snow dito sa New Zealand.
So why do we hold on, stuck in the stormy weather? Stuck in the stormy weather. Stuck in the stormy weather.
And that's it, everyone. That's our Bae'yahe with me in New Zealand episode 19 at Whakapapa Mt Ruapehu. So sobrang lamig, everyone. Ito yung first snow experience natin dito sa New Zealand, and so far astig. So ayun, after this baba na tayo ng accommodation natin, and then let's see kung anong pupuntahan tomorrow. Maybe punta tayo ng Taranaki Falls. So yun, everyone, tatapusin ko na tong vlog na to. I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang yung hugot travel way na may puso. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga future vlog ko. So yun muna, everyone. See you on my next vlog. Hey!